Hello Bladers! Have you ever asked the question, how long should your car last? Even if you purchased it brand new or second-hand. You are certain some of the parts of your car will break down over time. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are some steps to extend the life of your car. Number 1. Refilling the brake fluid. A possible sign of worn-out brake pads is when the brake fluid level is reduced. In this case, filling the brake fluid does not solve the problem. Instead, you should bring the car to an auto service center immediately to ensure that the braking system operates smoothly. It is a good idea to have the brakes inspected every 10,000 kilometers. Number 2. Inflating the tires to the maximum PSI. The PSI or pound per inch 2 listed on the tire's sidewall is the maximum pressure that the tire can bear. Not the ideal pressure that the tire manufacturer recommends to achieve the optimal balance of braking performance, braking control, fuel efficiency and quietness. Therefore, car owners should not pump the car to the PSI level. Number 3. Washing the car's engine. This practice can be detrimental to your car's engine because its electrical connectors and auxiliary equipment might be damaged if the water breaks through the weather seals. So if the engine gets dirty, instead of giving it a shower, you'd better wipe it gently with a soft towel. Caring with soft force is better? Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some practices you've been doing? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.